Ow! Oh my gosh! That scratch right there. Ah! Okay, come here. Okay, come here. Come here, cat. Come here. Watch it. Watch this. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh! Ow! 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 Get off me. Holy crap. This is why I should not be playing with cats. Oh, it hurts. Those teeth. Oh. Let it. Ow! She has to be in this room because dogs out there. Am I right? Am I right? Ow! I want to let her do that. She barely gets any attention. So, this time I'm going to give her attention. This is part 2 of playing with my cat. Ow! Pew, pew. Pew, pew. I'm pulling her paw. And, ow, she's looking at me. These cat tongues, though, they're really pokey, but I love them. I love how they feel. They're so, like crazy. I'm feeling it right now. But those tops. Ugh. The tippy top. The tippy top, though. Feels like this thing is bleeding. Oh my gosh, it is bleeding. Well, we have to say for that cat. Nothing, just your paws. Ow! That freaking hurt. Oh my gosh. Ow. Ow. My phone's about to die right now, but bip, bip, bip. Ow! Cats are cute, but